Everyone is talking about manifesting and the law of attraction these days. Often, manifesting doesn't work the way we want it to. We put wishful thoughts out into the universe, but then nothing happens. Manifesting is about more than just wanting something. It's about taking action to call in your intentions and creating the space for the magic to happen. Most people need better tools and guidance, and that's where I'd like to help. Hi, I'm Kripalani, manifestation coach and founder of Beauty Everywhere. We are a team of inspirational thought leaders dedicated to creating mindful tools and manifestation products that guide people to live their best lives. Back in the 90s, I was an actress living in Los Angeles. So often I found myself feeling alone, depressed, and discouraged. I'd spend hours in metaphysical bookstores looking for answers on how to control my feelings of low self-esteem. I was introduced to the law of attraction and started trying to wish my dreams into reality. But it wasn't working. Eventually, I started practicing rituals and using tools that helped me. I focused my intentions and opened up the space to call in what I truly desired. After years of failed relationships and inadequate wishing, I used my tools to act as if my ideal life was already happening. I finally manifested my soulmate, and 7 months later, we were married. We traveled the world and built a multi-million-dollar business together. When we had trouble conceiving a baby, I went back to my trusted tools and called in 2 beautiful, healthy daughters. Soon after, I was challenged with my biggest life test. I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Now, we all get thrown curveballs every now and then, and I had to learn to move from fear into acceptance and learn to see the beauty in my situation. It took me a little longer than I would have liked, but once I got my tools out and started honing my manifestation powers once again, I moved into wholeness and wellness. Every day, I thank God for my blessings and for the opportunity to live the life of my dreams. My tools have become my daily practice. And now I want to share them with you to help you manifest your best life. It is my great pleasure to introduce to you the Beauty Everywhere Manifestation Kit. This kit is full of unique and beautiful tools that will help you to manifest your best life. This first box of goodies is all about manifesting love. Whether you're looking to call in your soulmate, bring more love into your existing relationship, or build up your confidence with more self-love, this kit gives you the tools that you need. I've created a beautiful I Am Love manifesting journal for you. It contains prompts and activities that guide you through an easy 1-month process to focus your thoughts, emotions, and energy on creating more love in your life. You'll receive affirmational jewelry that reminds you that you are truly loved. I designed these with rose quartz, the stone of universal and unconditional love. You can wear them as constant reminders to spark positive emotion and strengthen your intentions. You'll get the I Am Love essential oil. I created this therapeutic grade blend to open your heart by stimulating areas of the limbic system, which will invoke deep transformation. You'll receive the I Am Love affirmation card to place in your home as a reminder to tune into the truth of who you are. You will also receive a set of kindness cards to give away and spread blessings of love to those around you. And finally, you'll have access to my Manifesting Meditations app, another powerful tool for your toolbox. I've written these potent meditations to raise your vibration and to enable you to call in that which you desire. I am so excited to see you manifest your best life. May love flow in abundance your way, and may you see beauty everywhere.